Good morning. This is Emma. Today's video is going to be a Goodwill haul. So I'm going to show you some items that I found while shopping at the Goodwill. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item I want to show you, it's a candle holder, and it has like 6 little vases which you can put flowers in also. The price on it was $39.99 and I purchased it at Goodwill for $6.99. I also have a vase here. It says Dreams, which I really liked. I purchased it for $3.99. I purchased a fall wreath here, which I really liked. It already has the pumpkins on it. I'll probably change out the ribbon for $3.99, which is a great buy. Over here, I have like 2 strands of garland, fall garland. I purchased it for $4.99. I also purchased this piece here, which I plan on painting it gold. It was $4.99. Today I'm going to be doing Tablescape Tuesday, and I wanted to do it in the clear setting, but I had the dinner plate, but I didn't have this plate here. So what I did, I purchased these at the Goodwill, and they were 49 cents each. Now, my next item is Dalton Crystal. This item here is a 3-tire candle holder. Very heavy, very beautiful. That's one of the pieces. It came with 3 other 2-tier candle holders. Beautiful pieces. It also came with this bucket, which I think is an ice bucket. Beautiful and very heavy. Now, when I seen them, I thought that they were very beautiful, and they really looked like they were nice pieces. Well, when I came home, I researched it, and I checked these on eBay, and they sell for $79 each. I have 3 of the small ones, this beautiful large one, the ice bucket, and this set of dinnerware, I purchased it all for $14.99. 99 cents. This one piece sells on eBay for $79.99. So I have all 5 pieces here, plus the dinnerware for $14.99. So when you go Goodwill shopping, look around, because someone else's trash may be your treasure. This is Emma. I want to thank all of the design family for stopping by. If you're not a part of the design family, hit that subscribe button and come along and join us. If you would, hit like and comment, and I will be seeing you in my next video.